Today we're looking at a 2016 Honda Accord Sport. It's a certified Honda. It's got 38,000 miles on it. It's San Marino Red in color. It's got a clean Carfax One-Owner. All right, go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It's got the nice ground effects kit on it there. Really sharp looking Sport. Nice chrome pieces, trim here with the door handles. Really pretty color too. Driver's side's in good condition. Alright, it does have the backup camera, dual exhaust. Alright, it's got the window tint as well, already on here. Make our way down the passenger side, and you can get another angle of this ground effects. Really sharp looking Sport. The exterior of the vehicle's been well taken care of. Alright, it's a certified Honda, only 38,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. I got the black on black door panels, nice white stitching, kind of the carbon fiber trim here, power locks, power windows, all right, power driver's seat. It's got the leather trim with the white stitching, but the cloth insert. Okay, but the driver's seat's in good shape. It does come with two keyless entry key fobs. Passenger seat looks good, no problems there. Alright, it is an automatic, dual climate controls, CD player, AM FM stereo. It's going to be your display right there. It's going to have your backup camera there as well. Leather wrapped steering wheel. It's got the transmission paddles, steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at your mileage. Okay, it's got 38,958 miles on it. Now that we've got it started up, I'll go ahead and show you the display area. Engage your backup camera. Go ahead and show you the CD player, AM FM stereo, and then we got your dual climate controls as well. Okay, but it's got the nice carbon fiber finish here, and also on this side of the steering wheel as well. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Alright, same thing here with the back seat. It's got the leather trim on it, cloth inserts. Alright, but the seats are in great shape. Not even a wrinkle in the leather, not a wrinkle in the cloth. 38,000 miles on this certified Honda. This thing's in great shape. Go ahead and pull down your cup holders there, and go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's take a look at your trunk space. Alright, this one's got the nice hard plastic protection in there as well. Alright, I'll step to the side so you can see the depth of a ton of room in here. Take a look at your wheels and tires. Alright, 19-inch alloys. Got the nice black in here behind it. Nice polished aluminum there. Really, really sharp looking wheel. Alright, brand new set of Goodyear tires. Okay, once again, it's a 2016 certified Honda Accord Sport. Alright, 38,000 miles on it. It's in great condition inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.